Alrighty guys, I am going to put together a little montage of a bunch of different cooking things and some other stuff I put together in the past and stuff. Just gonna throw a little bit here, a little bit there, put it all together, give you some ideas, spark some things in your mind for your creativity. So if you see something you like there, hey, drop a comment down below, ask me what's that about, how did you do that, okay, I'm just going to throw them all together right down the line, one after the other, and let you have a look-see. Not just stuff I do, but stuff my son Shawnee D, who has his website, his YouTube page, link down below. You can go ahead and check him out there, but he's got some of his stuff in here too as well. So I'm going to throw it all together. Like I said, it's a montage. It's enjoyable. You might get hungry afterwards though. Alright, let's jump right into the video. Starting to make some bread. We're going to make some air fryer bread for the first time. We're getting the dough being made. With the yeast and all the salt and the butter. And of course we use pink Himalayan sea salt, and we use organic cane sugar. You gotta stop, lift up, and get the flour down off the sides. We're having hot dogs over here grilled if you want to have some.
Okay.
Alright,
there's enough?
Yeah, we got enough.
Okay, love you.
I love you. Steaks, they're going on the grill. We'll put those on first. Honey's is going on first. Mine will go on last. Because I like mine cooked rare. And Mama loves hers well done. So we're gonna get these on the grill. Doing some steaks up in here, some thin steaks that are being breaded and deep fried. Yeah, we're having a real healthy one because I'm making potato chips for dinner. Fresh potatoes sliced up and cooked. Over there are the potatoes. And I'm cutting them on the meat slicer. Uh-oh, where's her ball? There's her ball. Good girl. American meal here. Got the organic baked beans on the grill, hardwood, organic hot dogs. All the buns aren't organic, but anyway, and they're buttered and can be toasted. Yep. Organic baked beans. Well, I better stir it up, puppies. Got the burgers in there smoking right now. I got those there. Those are done. Now I gotta get these out. The other ones that are done right there, just giving these a little charbroil, which I did. They're done. And I got those on there right now. Let's take this back in. Let's close the lid on these puppies. Alright, take that back in the house. That's nice and high up, isn't it? Home base CB antenna.